Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to pay fees online. So when you first log in, you will by default be on the dashboard tab. And so what you want to do is click on the billing tab right here. Then if you have multiple accounts, it will by default go to all accounts. But when you are paying these fees, you want to make sure you go account by account. If one account has fees and the other one doesn't, the system won't allow you to pay that. So for now, we are just going to go ahead and click on the account we want. And then from here, as you can see, there is a balance due. If you scroll down here, you will see a list of all the cards that have been added to the account. So we're going to click on Add Card. We want to make sure that the account number is selected. And you want to enter the card number, of course. For the expiration, you do not need to enter the slash. So you just need to go ahead and enter the 4 digits, security code, name on the card, address. Then you have the option here to set the card as your default payment method. This will charge the card automatically for future fees. So we don't want to do that for now, but we do want to click on this where it says I authorize Entrust Group. So let's click on that and then click on Add Card. Then you will see this window here. You have a balance due in the amount of $74.75 says on your account. To make a payment, please click Pay Fees button to exit. So we're going to go ahead and click on Pay Fees. All right, and then it's going to go through the pay fee process. So again, we want to specify the account first. Click Next, and then we want to pay the balance due here. You have the option of balance due or other amount, but by default, it will be on the balance due. Click on the card we just added, and then we want to click on I authorize the Entrust Group to charge a credit card, and then click Submit. And here we go. Thank you for your payment. Please find your payment breakdown below. And if we go back to the account, you'll see that there is no balance. And that is how you pay fees online. Thank you.